Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, we love cars, DIYs, and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how to upgrade your stock halogen headlights for your Hyundai Eon with an aftermarket headlight like an LED, HID. It doesn't matter, the process would still be the same depending on your preference. So I used to have an HID headlight. I was able to use that for 4 years until it got busted. So I needed to replace it. For the meantime, halogen bulb. So I used a Narva super white. Um, and today I'm gonna replace it with the LED headlight that is for review from my supplier.
A few moments later.
Alright, so for this DIY, all you need to have would be, of course, the LED bulb that you're going to use, and also a universal dust cap. Okay, so the universal dust cap is actually optional because there are some LED headlight that you can install and still use the stock dust cap for your headlight assembly. Okay, so in my case, the LED assembly that I'll be using is a bit bulky, so I need to use a universal dust cap. Okay guys, so this is very straightforward or pretty easy to do. First thing that you'll need to do, of course, is raise up your hood and also remove the dust cap. So we'll start at the driver's side. So remove the dust cap and so remove the dust cap, guys, and you can remove the lock using your pointy finger, like so, and you can remove the socket, like so, and remove the bulb. So this is the Narva super white. This is 55 low and 60 watts high. Okay. And now we'll be installing the LED headlight. Alright, so we'll be installing the LED headlights, and before we do that, so we'll need to use the universal dust cap and install it like this. Okay, so first the socket and then the ballast. Okay, like that, and it should look like that. See? Alright, so let us install it first. Okay, and let's do the cooling fins. So this the one that I'm using, guys, is basically using an aluminum type of insulation So instead of your conventional fan, it uses strands of aluminum to basically cool the LED down. Okay, install the socket, and that should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna fix that down using some cable ties later. Okay, so I'm gonna test it first and then we'll do the other side. Alright, so was able to test the driver's side and it's working. So I will not adjust the focus yet. I'll do the adjustment of the beam if needed later at night. So same process, remove the dust cap, and then using your pointy finger, remove the lock, and you should be able to pull out the bulb. Alright, so same process again. First the socket, and then your ballast. And then the cooling system should look like that, and then the socket. Alright, so once that out, you can gently press the dust cap in, making sure that it's sealed. Okay, that's just about right. And then you can install the bulb already. Then make sure that you lock the bulb in place like that. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys the output light later once we're done. Okay, let's install the rather plug in the socket, and then we'll do the cable ties later. So I'm gonna show you guys the output light or the brightness of it.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So that's low. So it looks really bright, but the test would be later tonight. I'll be adjusting the focus, and we'll give you guys a feedback after I am able to use it on a night drive. Okay, and that's it for me today, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you guys on our next video.